Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to join the official Plants and Brainrots Discord server step by step. So if you love the memes, characters and community behind the trend, this guide is for you. First of all, you need to launch your Discord application on your phone or on your PC. If you don't have it yet, you can just simply go to the Google Play Store or App Store, or from discord.com you can just download and install it because it is absolutely free. Now once you are done, simply just tap on this plus icon over here in the bottom. Afterwards you will have to select the option of join a server. Now here it is going to ask you to provide the invite link, so you will need an invite link to enter into the Plants and Brainrots community. So you will find the official invite link on their TikTok bio or on their YouTube channel or sometimes in the Reddit community. So make sure that it is valid. Now once you get the server link, you just have to paste it over here in this format, which will be https://discord.gg/brainrots or something similar. After that, when you hit the option of join the invite server, it is going to show you to join or agree to the server, and this way you will be able to join the Plants versus Brainrots Discord server safely and easily. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.